Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and cancel Apple Music subscription on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do, first of all, simply go ahead go to this access your settings app in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon on top, and once you have tapped on it, you can find this option called subscription ship, which will be in the below of your payment and shipping option. Simply go ahead, tap on it, and if you tap on this option, you will find that, let's say we only have one subscription ship that we have over there, but if you have subscribed to any of the services or the app using your Apple ID, you will find all subscriptions over here below. You can simply go ahead, tap on that particular app and simply go ahead, tap on this cancel Apple Music app. Go ahead, scroll down, tap on this cancel subscription ship app option, and again choose a reason for it, reconfirm it, and done. You will be done with it. Make sure to turn off this renewal receipts as well. If you have turned on renewal service for that app as well, it will automatically cancel subscription ship for other app as well if you do not want to have. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.